Happy summer solstice, everyone. That's going to be the topic of my video today, is going to be the solstices and equinoxes in the financial markets. The solstices and equinoxes are effectively the quadrature of the zodiac, and the quadrature of the circle is a term used in mathematics and astronomy to describe the division of a circle into 4 equal parts. In astrology, each of these points marks the sun's entry into the cardinal signs of Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. The cardinal signs represent the principle of initiation. In financial markets, each of these seasonal turns may have a relationship to price movement. If a trader tracks seasonality, which many traders do, of any trading instrument, they're effectively using natural planetary cycles of the sun and the earth as a time tracking tool. Today, what we're going to do is review the Bitcoin chart with the seasonality of the quadrature of the zodiac on it. So let's take a look. Here is Bitcoin. So what you can see that I've done here is I have applied a division of 1/4 of each astrological year. So that begins with the sun ingress Aries here, and that's the spring equinox. And then here we have the sun ingress Cancer, which is the summer solstice. Here, the orange lines represent the sun ingress Libra, which is the fall equinox. And then the blue line is the sun ingress Capricorn, which is the winter solstice. And then we start all over again. So we're dividing the astrological year by 4. And if you can notice, each trading instrument is going to be a little bit different, but Bitcoin really has impressive pivots correlated to each one of the quadrature of the circle, each one of the seasons. So that brings us to where we are currently. And tomorrow is the summer solstice. And if you take a look at where we're at on price action in Bitcoin, we have been consolidating here since basically the beginning of the astrological new year, around the week after the sun ingress Aries. And we are moving down into the summer solstice here. This would, if history repeats itself, this would give us a reversal here, a pivot low, and a move back up, at least into a further tightening range on Bitcoin going into the next few weeks. All right, everybody, happy summer solstice and happy trading.